Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word seaweed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the storm, the beach was littered with pieces of driftwood and tangled seaweed. Seaweed refers to various types of marine algae that grow in underwater environments and typically have long, leafy, or stringy structures. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.